Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have a very interesting topic, cognitive computing. So if you like this video, vote this up and subscribe to our channel. Cognitive computing is a field of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines that can simulate human thought processes, such as reasoning, learning, and problem solving. It involves the use of machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and other artificial intelligence technologies to build systems that can understand and interact with humans more naturally and intuitively. To learn cognitive computing, one can start by gaining a solid computer science and mathematics foundation, including statistics, probability theory, and linear algebra. Additionally, courses in machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision can help build skills in the specific areas of cognitive computing. Many online courses, tutorials, and educational resources are available to help one learn cognitive computing. Cognitive computing has many important applications in various fields, including healthcare, finance, education, and business. For example, cognitive computing can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately, provide personalized treatment plans, and assist with medical research. In finance, cognitive computing can help analyze large amounts of data to identify patterns and make more informed investment decisions. In education, cognitive computing can help personalize learning and provide more effective feedback to students. Cognitive computing is evolving rapidly in today's world, with advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning enabling more sophisticated and intelligent systems. Cognitive computing is becoming more integrated into everyday life, with voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, chatbots, and other intelligent systems becoming more common. There are also many emerging applications of cognitive computing, such as self-driving cars, smart homes, and personalized medicine. Recent developments in cognitive computing include advances in natural language processing, such as the ability of machines to understand and generate human-like language, and improvements in computer vision, such as the ability of machines to recognize and interpret visual data. There have also been developments in explainable AI, which aims to make machine learning models more transparent and understandable to humans. Careers in cognitive computing include roles such as machine learning engineer, natural language processing specialist, computer vision engineer, data scientist, and artificial intelligence researcher. Many industries, including healthcare, finance, education, and business, are increasingly using cognitive computing technologies, creating a growing demand for skilled professionals in this field. Cognitive computing is a rapidly evolving field with many important applications in various industries. As advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning continue, the possibilities for cognitive computing are expanding, creating new opportunities for innovation and growth. To take advantage of these opportunities, individuals can learn the skills and knowledge needed to work in this exciting and important field. So, that's it for today's video. Hope you understood and learned a lot of things today, so keep learning and keep growing. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.